6 of the strangest things ever spotted from the skies, explained by science. Giant whale formation. First spotted on Google Earth in 2012, this is one of several large, animal-shaped mounds discovered near Lima, Peru, that experts think could date back as far as 5,000 years ago. Killer whales hunted just off the coast of the country, less than half a mile away, until very recently, when industrial fishing deprived them of their prey. An enormous hole in the ice. Located in Siberia, this hole is likely the result of a melted pingo, large ice plugs that form near the surface and have a small hill form on top. When one of these melts rapidly, it can cause areas of the ground to collapse. Unique to such polar regions, pingos only melt fast enough to form craters like this when temperatures are unseasonably warm. A mysterious distress signal carved into the jungle. Spotted in the jungles of Vietnam, this message measured an astonishing 37 feet high. But what does it mean? In all likelihood, it was meant as a distress signal from a stranded pilot. The walking K signal underneath the USA section was known to be used by downed aviators. Since the message was not discovered until 15 years after the war ended, however, the fate of the pilot remains unknown. A huge hole in the ground. Discovered on Russia's Yamal Peninsula in 2014, this is just one of at least 7 enormous holes discovered in the Arctic region. Some scientists have speculated that the holes were caused by the explosion of trapped pockets of methane. A slightly less dramatic theory is that it is another example of a pingo, and the evidence of ejected rocks around the site can be explained by pockets of natural gas forcing the boulders out of the ground once the pingo melted and released them. Immense Scientology symbols. These huge designs were seen carved into the land of Trementina Base, New Mexico, the location of the Scientology-affiliated Church of Spiritual Technology. The symbol is the church's logo. A former member claims that they serve as signposts for reincarnated Scientologists returning from space. Others believe they mark the site of an underground bomb shelter, designed to keep precious elements of the church, such as the writings of L. Ron Hubbard, safe from a nuclear war. Blood-red waterfalls. Known as the Blood Falls, this weird discoloration stands out for miles against the rest of Antarctica's snowy whiteness. The red coloring is believed to come from an underground reservoir rich in iron, which is the same element that gives blood its red coloring.